Mushroom teas. They are all over the place as far as health benefits and its regulation. Zen's Tea House offers chaga tea, reishi tea, and a bunch of other teas and herbs that people use to help balance the body. But when it comes to mushrooms, there's a full spectrum of how to use mushrooms in your diet. We're going to cover that topic right now in this video. Zen's has hundreds of videos on healthy organic teas and herbal remedies. To learn more, visit the website zenstea.com. Mushrooms are growing in popularity today, specifically in their coffee, but can you use it as a tea? The answer is yes. It depends on what mushrooms you are looking at. Zen's Tea House offers reishi tea, chaga tea. Zen's Tea House customers actually look to these teas because of its anti-cancer properties, antiviral benefits. It has immunomodulating effects. That means it helps the body build up an immune system naturally. The way mushrooms work is they suck the energy out of the ground. Wild crafted mushrooms, that means no supervision. It's not in a garden. It was grown in the wild because Mother Nature decided that's where it's going to grow. Those mushrooms grow over years, and some of the older mushrooms have decades of pulling nutrients out of the ground. So when you use mushroom as a tea, it's not the traditional boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. You actually have to put it in a crock pot. You boil it and turn it into a tonic. You can rebrew a great tea, a mushroom tea, for hours at a time to get all of its benefits. Polysaccharides are what makes mushrooms so valuable. People drink mushroom tea because of its polysaccharide benefits. It helps the body store energy. It improves overall health and increases sex drive. How does it increase sex drive? Well, it gets one's body balanced. Sex drive is unique to that person. No sex drive is equal to another. This is often why people have looked towards hormonal imbalances to help regulate one's sex drive, one's libido. Now, the amount of benefits one receives from mushrooms is really dependent on its dosage and the potency of the mushroom tea they are making. That being said, no mushroom is the same. Zen's Tea House does not offer a variety selection of mushrooms. Why? Because a lot of the people in the mushroom industry have their hand in psychedelics. Maybe you're watching this video because you want to grow your own mushroom tea, or you know someone who's growing mushroom tea. Be careful because the dosage is important. Some people in the mushroom industry have used chemicals, have genetically modified the health benefits of these mushrooms so they can be more potent. Potency is important when you're looking into mushrooms, but the field of mushrooms is covered with people who are adding more to their mushrooms, and it's not very safe. From my experience, and I've been in the industry since 2012, there are a lot of people who mean well, and they might accidentally put a little too much into their mushrooms, and it has often caused some very serious mental health issues. Zen's Tea House is creating this video because we want people to know that mushrooms have been used for centuries. It's a very effective way to help the body, but it's not for everyone, and I don't suggest people use that from the start. If you have a background in herbology or you've tried many other herbs, then you've probably built up a palate and a natural resistance and tolerance for consuming herbs and mushrooms. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions on how to implement mushrooms into your diet, specifically for sex drive or mental health, leave them in the comment below.